Back in January, I listed my first item on eBay and got momentarily excited. And in every What Sold video I've published since then, I've been like, I need to spend more time on eBay. Well, here we are at the end of the summer, and I haven't done it yet. I've sold 6 items on eBay, and I've probably spent more time removing items than anything else. That ends today. I wrote eBay Day in my planner, and today I'm going to give you a sneak peek into the behind the scenes of me working on eBay and just getting some stuff listed and drafted so I can hopefully be more consistent over there. And hopefully by showing you how terrible I am at eBay will make you feel more confident to do it yourself. Yes, that's how low the bar is today. My name is Ashley, and I'm a reseller, mostly on Poshmark, based in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. What's funny is I actually tried selling something on eBay before I knew anything about reselling. I have this Betsy Johnson dress that I purchased, I would say 2012, and I wore it to a couple of events, but I just don't wear it anymore. It's a gorgeous dress, it's strapless, it's corseted, it has a beautiful poofy skirt, it's turquoise and black, and it was actually purchased at the Betsy Johnson store in Toronto before they closed it. I've held on to it for a long time, and a few years ago I thought maybe I should put it on eBay, and I just tried. It didn't sell, and I didn't know anything about eBay, but I just did it. So that's what I'm gonna try and do now, is just do it. So far I've been listing on ebay.ca, and I've been doing it myself because in Canada we don't have List Perfectly, we don't have Vendu, and there's a couple of other cross-listing services that kind of work in Canada, but I don't love them, so I'm just doing it myself. Because at this point eBay is just a small part of my business, I'm gonna stick to just having a personal eBay account. I'm not gonna get a store because I don't feel like I need to invest in that right now. Part of the reason why I want to list on eBay is because it opens up the market that I can sell to. I'm in Canada, and right now Poshmark hasn't yet launched cross-border shipping, so I can only sell to Canadians on Poshmark. eBay allows me to sell to the US and other countries in the world, and I think all of my 6 sales on eBay so far have actually been to the US. I think it's pretty cute that I made that video, I was all excited and gung-ho, and then I left eBay for another 2 months. I was in a little bit of a rut this week and not really feeling like myself, not really feeling very motivated, and something came over me and I just decided to give eBay a go. Even though I'm apprehensive about eBay and I find it a bit intimidating, because I already had the photos, the descriptions, I decided it was something that felt manageable and that I could do this week. I started listing a handful of things every day, and I actually made 3 sales on eBay this week, which is awesome. 2 of them went to the US and 1 of them went to Canada. I'm gonna keep telling you, I am not an expert on eBay by any means. I'm still flailing around trying to figure things out. But today I wanted to share 5 tips that helped me to get over my fear of eBay so that hopefully I can help you get started on your journey as well. The first thing I'll say is the best way to get started is to get started. No one was an expert on eBay the first time they listed something, and it takes a little while to get used to any new platform. And with eBay, there's definitely differences. You know, there's all the different fields, the specifications, there's shipping, and it can be a little bit intimidating. But the best way to get over that intimidation is to just try. What's the worst that happens? The more you do something, the more you practice it, the better you get at it. And that's definitely what I found this week as I listed more and more things on eBay. It started to become a little bit easier. It's definitely not intuitive yet, but I'm getting more practiced, and I feel like the more I do this, the better I'm gonna become and the more confident I'm gonna feel in listing things on eBay. My second tip would be to experiment. On eBay, there's so many different categories that you can list items in. And by trying things out in those different categories, you can get to know what sells better on eBay, what doesn't, what there's a market for, what you like listing on eBay, what you don't like listing on eBay. You can also try out different ways to sell things on eBay because you've got buy it now and you've got auction. When I was listing things this week, I tried out a couple of auctions. One of them's doing all right. It's got some people watching it. There's already a bid in, so I'm excited to see how that goes. Another one, not so much. But again, it's like that practice makes perfect, and the more you try something out, the more intuitive it's going to feel. You can also experiment with different options for shipping. So you can try free shipping and raising your prices a little bit to accommodate for that. You can try different methods of shipping and see what attracts different buyers. And speaking of shipping, my third tip would be don't be intimidated by shipping. When I first was getting started with eBay, that is something that scared me about it, was shipping. On Poshmark, shipping is so easy. It's a flat rate. You don't need to think about it. You don't need to think about the weight, the size, the method. It's like one-stop shop. It's super easy. And with eBay, the options feel endless and you need to figure it out yourself. But what I've learned with eBay is even though it feels like the options are infinite, they do some things to help you out and help you figure out shipping. I'm based in Canada and I've been using Canada Post for my eBay shipping. But you can also do your Canada Post shipping right through eBay and get their rates as well. With each item, you can weigh and measure the item to determine its exact measurements, and so the buyer can pay the exact price for shipping, or you can do an estimated flat rate for each item, whatever is easiest for you. I've done a little bit of column A and a little bit of column B, and I can't say I've noticed too much of a difference. I'm getting a little bit better at estimating what I think shipping is going to be, but I think going forward I might do exact measurements. Don't quote me on that because I don't know, but we'll see how it goes. I have a little scale that I picked up on Amazon. I'll link the one that I have down in the description. It's rose gold. It makes me happy to weigh things. And then I measure them just with a measuring tape that I have. And yeah, it takes a little bit more time, but it gives an accurate estimate of what that shipping is going to be. So far, I've been including 2 options for shipping for each item. I do a Canadian rate, usually expedited because it's a fast, easy way and there's a tracking number associated with it. And then for US, I've been doing tracked packet, which tends to be a pretty reasonable rate considering it's going to the US, and you also get a tracking number with it. And if you go into eBay, you can see that there's lots of different options you can choose for shipping, all different types of shipping rates. So just go in there and have a look and start to get more comfortable with that. For my first few packages on eBay, I did take the buyer's information and go into my Canada Post small business account and enter it in there and print my label right from Canada Post. But I've actually been doing it right through eBay because I found it to be faster. There's no copying and pasting, and then the tracking info gets updated automatically right in eBay. Again, it's something new, and the more you do it, the better you get at it, and you can experiment a little bit to see what works best for you and what entices your buyers on eBay. Another tip that I would suggest is to learn from people on the platform. If you're trying to decide which items you want to cross-list, pick out a few items from your inventory and go search for similar items on eBay. See what's selling, the prices they're selling at, how they're selling, whether they're buy it now or auction, and just get a better sense of what's working well on the platform. Similar to Poshmark, you can filter the items by what has sold, and so that can give you a good indication of what items have sold and recently. And by searching on the platform, you can see if certain brands or items are quite saturated or if they're in demand, and just give you a better idea of where to start listing on eBay. I've also found it really helpful to learn from other people's titles and descriptions to see what they're doing, to see what's working as I figure out my own style on eBay. And my 5th tip would be to learn from people off the platform as well. There are so many awesome folks teaching eBay all over the internet. Here on YouTube, on Instagram, on blogs, there's great information on Pinterest, like it is literally everywhere. eBay is a platform that's been around for quite a while, so there's so many people who are very well versed in all things eBay that you can just soak up their information like a little sponge. Recently, my friend Nicole from Soul Inspired Seller shared a great video on eBay. Also check out Becky Park's channel where she did this like giant mega mix of eBay tips from so many different sellers from all across YouTube. As I go along, I'm gonna do my best to share what I learn on eBay, but I am by no means an expert, and honestly, I'm having some imposter syndrome sharing this video at all. Who am I to be talking about eBay? I've sold like 9 things. But my hope is that by sharing this video and just being transparent and saying that I'm learning, I hope that it encourages you to get out there and try it as well. If you're already selling on eBay, I would love to hear what categories you would love to list in over there, and if you have any tips for someone just getting started. If you're looking for a fun haul to watch next, I would suggest checking out this video that I did with my friend Karina. We did a thrift scavenger hunt. It was so much fun, and I've already sold some of those items, and I'm really, really excited. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a like, and if you're not already subscribed, now would be an awesome time to do so. Thank you so much for watching and going on this journey with me, and I hope to see you soon. Bye, friends!